Today is Christmas time to Christboard. I want to make something that relate in these months that may be like full of glory, full of lantern, full of lights and candles. And maybe I want to make a Jesus lantern or like a shape like a church. Without any further ado, let's get to real. And for the Nativity lantern, you need a paper like this. But before we are slamming all over it, we're gonna decorate first. So we're gonna put for this is the in the middle like this. So I'm gonna show you. We're gonna put a glue here, just a little bit glue. It's gonna be like this. After that, we're gonna put the stars and the lights like this, the light of lantern like this in here. But you have to like put a glue in here, just not a little bit, not like until it's covered all the up, but it's just gonna be like this. And after that, just put the glue here. It's really easy to make and to assembling because it's just you have to just connecting it and sticking it, not until it's cutting or something. Everything it's just like this. Don't forget to put here. Put in below just like this, and after that just pull it and stick it in here just like this. And stick in and everything, and just like this. And make sure you use same method in this and there's a 4 parts on it, and repeat it like I did before. After like this, there's a light over here. You have to just like we did before, just put a glue in the crust and here. Forget all over you. Put a glue. Don't forget this part too. Just like this. And oops, pour it straight on the crust. Just like this. And sticking all over and push down. It's gonna be like this. Now time to like sticking all over before we do like connecting all, and before we like fold everything and connecting it. So we're gonna stick it all over first. Alright. Oops. And put it here. Do it symmetrical on the cross and everything like this. Over here. And just like this. It's up to you if you want to cover up like this in the small motif, or just like cover like me. It's up to you. The important is it's sticking like this. Don't worry about the camel. You have to put a glue on the camel and pour it like we did before. Yes, just like this. And after like this, so you have to fold this like this and like this, but it's for easy to fold, just fold out and fold it like this. So easy to fold. It's gonna be like this. And out. And just like this. And do the same thing with the part. So put a glue here and turn it to be like a box of lantern, like this. Don't forget to make it symmetrical, and don't forget about another part, just like this. Now put it this. To be like this, and after shape like this, just fold the bottom like this. This is for the place you're gonna put a glue, just like this, and put a glue all over the lantern like this, and fold like before, just like this. And we're gonna put this part into this, and make it straight, and make sure everything is put with how to say that, stick inside good and strong like this until it's cover up everything. Just press, or if you can have with a tool like this to press it. And after shape like this, just cover the parts like we fold before with another paper, so there's no like a broken part like this. And put another paper to cover, so make it a little bold and cover the broken parts, and make sure everything is sticking. So this is for the stand of the lantern. So prepare the paper like this and fold according the lines, just like this. After this, we're gonna put a glue like this. Put a glue on here. Wait until it dry. And repeat until it's connect like this. Press it down until it's covered up. So after that, we're gonna cover with this paper. So put a glue over the parts like this. Just put a glue here. This is for the cover of the stand of lantern, and put this. Press it down until it cover up, and the shape is like this. Now we're gonna decorating this part with this. So before we sticking it to the box, we're gonna stick in it to be a layer like this. So put a glue over here and here. So put a glue like this until it's to be like a layering like this, and make until it's there's a 4 layer like this. So put a glue here and okay, And after you shape like this, time to put a glue in here, just not cover it up, just like this, and apply this to here. It's gonna be like a decoration of the lantern until it's all to four sides of the stand of lantern is covered up with a model like this. Don't forget to put a glue again and cover it up. Now time to connect this lantern, this stand of lantern, into the lantern. After like this, time to connect it here. Put a glue. If you want to cover up with a glue all over or just in the part of this, or if you want to cover up all over the part like this, it's up to you. So the important is it's sticking so strong and the lantern is stay on the stand. Put it with it gently and make sure you put it straight in the middle. And the final part is like this of the lantern, and you can put a candle here. So if you want to put a candles or another lights, it's the important it's gonna be like a real lantern for your Christmas. Merry Christmas. And this is the crafts. You can see the motif of the story of the Jesus Christ on here, and you can put a lantern like a candlelight like this, and it should be a lantern. Maybe if you want to make two for another tint, maybe for Valentine, maybe for Halloween or another celebrate, you can share to our community in tracycraft.com. And if you want to make this bigger or smaller than this or full of decorating, just share to our community that I mentioned, and happy crafting.
Tracy Craft.